So, but we don't want them here. Okay, that's fish. So, come here. Who wants it? Who wants it?
Good morning and welcome back to another episode of Life Outdoors. Today I was invited to fish with Connor from Rated R Fishing. I'll link his YouTube channel below, but he actually reached out to me way back when I was still in Ohio, when Washington's fishing season got shut down because he was watching some of my steelhead videos. So kind of cool that we ended up getting to switch roles here, and now he's able to take me out and show me around in Washington. What we are doing is going out on his boat for some coho. We're going to be trolling. He's going to be teaching us everything to do with trolling because I have no clue what I'm doing. And hopefully we get into either my first coho or my first king here in my new beautiful state of Washington. Stay tuned, should be a great video.
Allows us to get our line down to where we need it to be, right? Because otherwise I'd have to put a 15-pound ball on the end of a rod and that would break the rod. So I put the line out with our flasher and our hoochie. We got our flasher here. Okay, the flasher acts like another salmon. It spins around and acts like a feeding salmon, which brings them in to attract them. Then we're running a hoochie behind that, tipped with a piece of herring. They come in there. The flasher actually gives hoochies action, makes it whip around, it makes them want to hit it, and they come up, smack it, game on. If it's a big enough fish, which it should be, it should just take that line out of the clip, because our fishing line is in that little release clip, and that way once the fish takes it, just us versus the fish. Downriggers are just to get us down there. So that's kind of the...
That's downriggers for dummies.
There you go. But yeah, these orca rod holders go just snap in like that. When you're ready to take it out, it just comes up like that.
Wow.
That's why I tell people, you see it come out of the clip, just crank reeling until you see the rod reacting back with the fish on, then pull it out and you're good.
Okay, got it. And then we got Raven's man in the freaking driver's seat.
Oh yeah.
Why'd you choose to wear that?
I want to be featured
now
in
it
video
has to be
as
in my video, yeah.
Ravens fan.
Offending me.
Can't kill them, so but we don't want them here. Okay, that's fish. Here, who wants it? Who wants it?
You got it, Riley.
Oh no, you got it.
No, dude, I want to film the first one.
Oh, I think he just came off.
Did he pop?
Yeah, get on the wheel.
No.
He popped.
Oh, that was a good hit too. Bummer.
All right. not very big.
Take it, Jacob.
Rubber hook.
Hey, found some fish though.
You know, people pulled up.
Good boy. Real fast. Something there. I don't know if it's a real fish.
Oh, it's a real fish. Oh no.
You want to steer for me? There's something on there, you know. There's something on there.
Is there something on there?
Oh, it's a little guy.
Keep out of that line. Just bring him
Can I
that.
pull him up?
Yeah, I think we're gonna let him go. It's a little small for the eateries.
Yeah.
Well, caught a fish.
Let's keep fishing.
Caught a fish.
Count it.
Let's fish for another 30 minutes.
All we ended up catching throughout the day were a couple shakers, which are those little cohos that are just too small to take home. So wasn't able to catch my first coho here in the state of Washington, but still had an awesome time out on the water with Connor. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, his channel, Rated R Fishing, will be linked below. Really great dude. Definitely go give him a subscription. Drop a comment. Say that you're coming from my video. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.